guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add overlays on CapCut PC and how you can blend them in with your videos. So I have this video over here and I'm just going to quickly add this overlay. You can use any video or a picture that you want. And then I'm just going to select the blend mode, which is in basic, and I can select any blend mode that I want. This is the Brighten one, this one's the screen, this one's the darken, this one's the overlay, this one's hard light, this one's soft light, this one's color burn, linear burn, color dodge, and multiply. And actually I'm just going to change the texture because I don't quite like that one. I'm just going to select this one instead. And usually for pictures like this, I usually use screen or Brighten or the color dodge one, and you can also adjust the opacity as well to blend it even more with the video so it doesn't look super fake. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.